So hey everyone and welcome to my vlog, and it's been so long we have met, and here I am in Udaan exhibition. You can see in Dehradun in Himalaya Gardens. So I'm going inside and will show you some glimpse. So come, let's go in. So hey guys, now I'm heading in towards the exhibition. So we are heading inside and we'll go and check out the stalls. Wow, the place is very beautifully decorated. So hey everyone, this is the first stall, that is Fresh Foodie Kitchen. And they have homemade pickles, chutney and jams. So come in, let's check out their stuff. Okay, so now she will tell me the overview of the products. Can you please?
Yeah, sure. I'm Abhi from Fresh Foodie Kitchen, and the whole production is done by us at home.
Yeah.
Me, my husband and my children, we all make all the production.
Very nice. That's really good.
This is mango pickle, then this is chai masala. This is my medicinal product. It's written here, very good for cold cough, back throat, headache, migraine, anything. And you can make a herbal tea also with it by adding few drops of honey.
Wow.
And it can be given to children also because it is preservative free.
That's very amazing. I think your pickles are also preservative free.
Preservative free. Garlic ki katti meethi chutney, then ginger garlic, green chili, garlic pickle. This is lasun chutney with peanuts. Then I have few products which have to be kept in fridge.
Okay.
Because in normal temperature where you keep
It is mushroom pickle.
Mushroom pickle is this. You'll have to keep it in refrigerator.
Okay.
And you can enjoy. For 4-5 months nothing is going to happen. This is tomato pickle. This also you can enjoy for 4-5 months. Nothing is going to have anything.
Chicken pickle.
Chicken pickle is complete meal.
Nice.
You can just have with rice dal or paratha or anything. Just enjoy it.
So nice guys, we have got a variety of pickles. If you are willing, I will post the video soon and you can get it from this stall. That this is Fresh Foodie Kitchen in Himalaya Gardens, Dehradun. And you can also note the phone numbers. You also sell it online. Okay. Oh, nice. Thank you so much. Okay. These are the organic tree, bukho, art and craft wood. So they are having plenty of things that is made by themselves, and they are looking so beautiful. And there is also bottle art they have done, and the painting on the canvases. And these are really looking very good. Now next is Milking Food, and this is a certified organic products, and the best thing in this is that is gluten free. So you can also visit this stall. Next is Orja Farms, and wow, it is written spend the day at farm. Lots of fun, cricket, fly kites, kanche, housey, gulli danda and much more. Hi. This is Ardas Samaj Kalyan. So these are also having a plenty of products like lights and all they are selling. You can also call them in WhatsApp. You can follow them in Instagram. And these are Desire Candles and Decor. They are having plenty of homemade candles, and really these are looking so much bright and beautiful. So there are plenty of stalls. So this is Ashima's Alankar. They're having pretty different jewelries, oxidized jewelries and some antique jewelries, and they are looking such beautiful. The beautiful neck pieces, the hangings, the jhumkas. Wow, wow, wow. This is Manmeet Chadda and having collections of suit, the beautiful suits, the colorful bright suits are hanging over here. And this is Swastik sarees. There is a collection of sarees, beautiful sarees are there, and you can all, if you want to buy, you can contact them on WhatsApp also. You can see Swastik sarees. This is a house of linen, cotton and chanderi. I'm not getting the next one. Silk sarees. Okay, the silk sarees. So you can contact them on WhatsApp also. Say hi.
To form a beautiful drama with two characters, Sita and Ram. This dance, the dance will picturize the conversation between Ravan and Sita.
Hope you are enjoying my vlog, and there are such beautiful stalls over here. You can see at the back of me, and there's lamps over here, and these are costing around 675 of small, and then price go higher as the size goes big. So these are all stalls, hush homes.
She is a passionate singer. So let's hear it for Hanika Dasani.
Stall,
We can go a bit louder.
soul designs,
Thank you.
and
And
chokha stuff. And they are also having a variety of collections of suit, and their suits are so amazing and bright. So this is stunning handmade sari, and this sari is looking splendid, and these are the variety of suits. So this is the stall of scarf woods, and they're having a wood furniture, some wood decorative items, and the next stall is NM pickles. So they're having a variety of pickles and NM pickles, love from Nani Ma. Obviously the variety of pickles I can see, it just reminded me of my Nani Ma. And they are also having their Instagram tag also. So they are also having kids special jam or chutney. So they are offering me their card. He's Himanshu Pundir, and sorry, the focus is going out. He's having the WhatsApp number. You can you can also mail him. You can visit to his website, and the order link is given in his card. So you can copy this card and dial the phone and just order this beautiful yummy pickles. And this is specially apple chutney made for kids, and he's saying that there are some. Hi, now I'm here. I'm tasting some chutney. Can you please give me one? So they are so kind. They're giving me for tasting the chutneys and pickles. So here comes my chutney or pickle. I'm very much excited to have it. But that's it. Thank you. Aam ka achar. Okay. So this is my little spoon, and this is I'm going to have a chutney. Oh my god. It's really amazing. सच में मुझे अपनी नानी की याद आ गई. Thank you so much. Chutney taste is very tasty. You must order them online and you should try it. Guys, I'm on Teasen Tea Bar, and they are having some quotes that is written very beautifully. Meri chai kahan hai? It's always good time for chai. Ekdam kadak. Swastik Enterprise. Yummy dry fruits are calling me. This is Rani Ki Kitchen, and they are offering us chicken biryani, chole tikki, dal bade plus chole, Sada and tea, all-time favorite. So this is the Rani ki kitchen. This is house of Shivani Pawar and they are having rush बहुत है यार. Suits हैं, Punjabi jutis हैं, and this is nail akriti by Moni, and she gives temporary nail art, and there's also a mobile number. You can visit her website. नहीं it's okay, कोई बात नहीं. Wow, they're having a very much beautiful collections of Punjabi jutis and suits over here. These all are sarees.
Pure Katan silk.
Katan silk, semi silk, chanderi.
Silk, linen, modal, satin silk, pure silk, we have everything.
Wow. Kids are playing, wandering here and there. And this is a dry fruit stall. Sahani Enterprises. Some stalls are closed. Naughty Knitters by Pallavi. And this is Khilafat crafted experiences. They're having plenty of jewelry and antiques. And they're having candles. Three fragrances candles over here. And creative cut. Wow, what a lovely fountain. And they're having lamps. Beautiful pieces and some ceramic pots and cups, beautiful shade lamps, and they're having the ceramic crockery. This is Shalini's creation. And here comes the artisan glassware hut. They're also having a plenty of lamps, stones, and these lucky bamboos. They are doing so much beautiful candles in the glass walls. So this is Garima's creation, and wow, my favorite succulent is over here. So I wish guys आप बहुत ज़्यादा enjoy कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा कर रही हूँ, and अभी मैंने मोमोज एंड कोल्ड कॉफ़ी का ऑर्डर दिया है अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ. तो आई एम डेफिनेटली गोना शो यू माई ऑर्डर. And behind me there are more stalls, so I am just going there and will take you along with me. So these are the Taj Mill and Ishveda herbals. They are having plenty of herbal bottles with them, and they are offering the exclusive gift hampers, detox bath salt, and you can also see over here the plants, dragon's backbone. I'm sorry, I'm just confusing the plant name. And these are soaps. So Meraki Craft in Shapes and Fragrances. So they are offering you a base variants, that is shea butter, gold milk, charcoal, and you can also follow them on Instagram. They are giving us a plenty of soaps, and wow, you can also see this watermelon soap over here. It's looking so much beautiful. Wow, yesterday I have purchased it. Wow, the fragrance is so much amazing. And see, they are also making the hampers over here. This is Meethi Mati, and Mati means soil. So they're having wonderful plants over here. They are dealing with the ceramic pots, And my favorite crouton, calathea over here, ferns, marigold, and they are looking superb and beautiful. They have also designed the pot with small stones and they are looking so much beautiful. You can also visit the store. You can also visit this exhibition and can buy your favorite one. Boho art. Nowadays boho art is trending so much. This is a dream catcher, boho dream catcher, and this is bling with boho. Nowadays boho is trending so much in rooms and drawing room. It looks so much beautiful. So guys, you can see this. I'm again telling, it is in Himalaya Gardens. You can come and I think tomorrow is the last day of this exhibition. These are the beautiful frames over here, and see how creatively this pond is painted, and it is looking very beautiful. The most beautiful plant syngoniums over here, art by Sahiba. You can also buy it for the Diwali decoration, dream catchers, candles, diyas. They are looking so much beautiful. Patapatti section, here you can buy a plenty of suits, bright colors, beautiful. And this is wardrobe clearance starting from 50. Pick any at 50. These are looking so much beautiful. Sandook by Neha Dhyani. She's also having a collection of suits and all. Hope you're liking my vlog, and now I come at the stall of Smart Art Craft. So let me show you some glimpse of this stall. So this is a, I just forgot, I think, kaun sa art hota hai yaar ye? I forgot, mandala? Dot wala, I just forgot the name. This is the worldly art, looking so beautiful and wow, amazing. So hey everyone, this is the end of the vlog, and we Indians are so much lucky and blessed that we are having a colorful festive environment. This Diwali brings family and friends together. You all rejoice together and stay connected, stay healthy. See you soon. Wish you good luck for your health. Bye bye.